First reaction, I'm happy. Okay, I would like to thank God for this, the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Honorable CM for reposing his faith in me and giving me a portfolio. Yeah, that's basically. I'm happy.
So
Yeah.
last minute your name appeared as to be elected as
Yes.
Was your discussion with Babu Bhushan and yourself?
No, I had no discussion. I was ready for anything. So when I joined the party, I never asked for any position or any portfolio or anything. Not even no chairmanship. I just went there to support my colleagues also who had all decided to leave and join the Bharatiya Janata Party, to merge with them.
So do you think now you've been fighting for the garbage plant for a long time?
Yes.
That will be in place
Yeah,
now?
yes, I think we were speaking about this even to Michael, and he says we'll all work together. See, I cannot do everything by myself. It has to be everyone together. So only then everything moves forward. So I will collaborate or talk with all the other MLAs and the Honorable CM, and then take whatever work forward. But it has to be with his consent, this Honorable CM's consent.